Hey, here is this one. Yeah, 155 400J comes over here. That's the fuse. Bridge rectifier, plus minus. That's the bridge rectifier. DC volt goes over here. 400 volt 10 UF. AC, these are two for ACs. These two are for AC. One is goes over here, one is to the resistor, 2 watt. And this is for diffusing this capacitor, 220K. These are two. This is negative probe, positive probe, 10K 10K. I already checked it before this video. It works so nice. This is for LED strip, for bulbs, auto bulbs, any kind of bulb. You can check it, DOB, any kind. And strips tester. Very simple and very useful this thing. You can check everything with one circuit, from this LED, small LED, to big one, DOB. This is 12 volt. You can check everything with that. Very easy to make circuit. That's the diagram. You can take a screenshot of that. You can make it. This is bridge rectifier. You can use 1N400742. 1N4007 diode. You can use instead of that one. Yeah. Very simple to make it. Make it on PCB is better than this one. I will make this one after that on PCB. I love to make it on PCB, everything. But for this video, I made this one. Simple. Every wiring you can see. Very easy. Thank you very much, guys. If you like my video, subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell icon to get a quick notification of my all videos. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.